I feel like some of these kits, the sticker kits, are new. And I feel like some of these are new. They're great for loot bags, stocking stuffers, just in case you're looking for some crafty things for the kiddos. Oh, that's a cute sign. They also have some really nice pages in these learning activity books, and these are fairly new to me as well. Paw Patrol, not too bad. Nice pages, coloring books. This is the time of year that they usually stock up on a lot of varieties for coloring books, and then they kind of deplete. But I find around Christmas time or this season, they fill up the stores with a lot of coloring books. And there's a whole bunch down here. Great for for the little ones to reach at, but harder for us adults, to be honest. Love that Dollar Tree does have a ton of Crayola to choose from. So they have the crayons and you can put together a beautiful package. I'm not familiar with these little characters, but maybe your kiddos are. And then, of course, they have these giant coloring pages. Beautiful books. These are a lot more expensive elsewhere. This just caught my attention. Papermate. I haven't seen the flares at any other store. And they're black. I'll just put these away. Looks like somebody pulled them all off. Yeah, they have a few. No colors though. Right, there's some more. Lots of them. Anyways, my first time seeing them. Oh, this is a cart. So this store is not like my typical look at this. I know I shouldn't complain because I've seen worse in your videos before. Some of you have shared pictures and videos, but this is a hot mess. Just in case you didn't know, these are stackable, so the groove connects right with the top lid, and I love that. These are new this year. Different print. Gingerbread is really trending. Still, this area is just, I'm not enjoying shopping here today. I don't know, I'm getting overwhelmed. So I took a step back and I spotted these. When the stores are, not as organized, it's harder to spot things. So just be mindful that some of the wood could be scratched up. So if you're looking for an even coat of paint or stain, just pick out your favorite wood pieces. These have been turned into snowmen, and they look so cute with the little top hat. I've seen some wonderful DIYs made with them. So I was inspired, and I'm like, maybe I should grab a pack of cubes as well. This is part of the Risen line, and there are little metal embellishments in there as well, which are great for paper crafting shaker pockets. This is from the wedding area. I was going to say these are newer this year, but there are Christmas ones as well. It's just, this store just needs a little help. Just a little bit. These are soft. They're like rubber. It's a cute chunky pen. These are awesome. Iron-on patches. Wow. I haven't seen these anywhere else, or if I have, it's been years. I feel like they had something a few years back. Crayola. See, you can put this in a kid's package for a Crayola. Oh, I need these. I need these. So there are a few to choose from. They're like a wax effect, the wax stamp. How pretty are these? Now I just have to choose which ones would go with most of my color palettes when it comes to paper crafting, or which one has the most versatility. So that's a lot of pink. Check these out. My Little Pony. Eric Carle. Do you know the books by Eric Carle? And they feel really nice. Dollar Tree keeps doing a better job all the time. These are so sweet. I love the wood lids. They totally have a TJ Maxx, TJX store, like HomeSense Marshalls vibe. So tell me, is this what you normally experience when you're shopping? Look at these shelves. I know some of you say I'm so lucky in that my stores are so organized. This one's cute because it flips, but oh my gosh. I don't know. How do things sell when they're this messy? They look like they're ready to just fall down on you. There are a lot of boxes lined up along the back here, so I can't get to the organization stuff. More craft goodies. These are good. Great to have around for Christmas. Light up a little tree, simple things, you know. I think I have a few packs at home. I'm gonna have to check my stash. Has anyone transformed these? They're really nice and large. I'm just wondering. Oh my gosh, these baskets are so pretty and perfect to make. They're just really nice. These are very Christmassy too. I love the look of this bag. Do you think that it would sit up nice to make it like a family night gift set? I put a board game in it and treats and wow, I was not expecting to find these here. So there's the gingerbread, the candy canes, the truck. Wow. The trees. Oh, I love the trees. So there's one here that's open. Just going to share with you the size of it, and then I'll put it away so somebody can buy it. That's a decent size. What is that, like an 18-inch pillow? There, somebody else can now buy it. I don't know if they have different handles, but I really like these ones with the rustic kind of leather feel. I find this time of year Dollar Tree brings in some really wonderful selection of socks and sometimes very pricey ones you'd pay a lot more elsewhere, so I always like to take a browse. And in the hair accessory department, I am noticing that there's a lot of new things, and I thought I'd just share them with you. Now, this is somewhere I don't look very often, so they're new to me. Like the clips, lots of stuff here. Also the Goody brand. I might grab a couple of these packs. Great to have. Even for swimming, like in the summer, to have on hand for kids in your, what is it called? These are wonderful, and the quality has improved so much that I highly recommend them if you want to organize accessories out here. So yeah, I was saying like you can put it in your beach bag or your pool bag, whatever. Always good for the kiddos. Have you tried these? They feel good, squishy, not hard. I've never even heard of the brand. These are really good. If you have never tried them, try them. They're very good if you love gummies. They have the Sour Patch Grape, full packages, which is a great value. And then they have these Hewer. I feel like that's a big brand name, right? So between the Waterbridge ones, the chocolate covered cherries, which ones do you prefer? The Waterbridge or these ones here, the Queen Anne? I really like these. I think they were out a year or two ago. They're chocolate and orange flavor, so if you like that. I enjoyed them. I'll be honest, the box didn't last very long at all. And I like the Biscoff cookies as well. They have so many wonderful treats here, and I am having some good self-control. It's hard sometimes. Even these are good. What a great find here at Dollar Tree. These Mum Mums are so much more expensive, and they're good till February of next year. I find that most of the stores have their Christmas dishware all set up on the island at the front of the stores, so nothing really down this dishware area. A few items in the cleaning area. I know that there's some newer tools, so I was hoping to see if they had any here that I could share with you. I found one, the bag sealer. There are a couple options for colors, the white and the pink it looks like. I wonder if that would be a nice tool for the craft room. By the way, I have a question for you. Have you seen unscented small garbage bags? It don't have to be the teeny tiny ones, but just, for the bathrooms. Also, check this out. These are this is the Twinkle brand, and these are the gel pens, but they have a whole bunch of stuff here. And I spotted a ton of it at Walmart, and it was a lot more expensive, the exact same bottles as these ones. They have the Pepperidge stuffing. Be mindful of the expiry because these expire today, October 26th. I have to share with you all of the cute mugs for Christmas, and these are selling so fast. I love this pink one. So cute. And they have the hot cocoa one. They all have the red handle, which I think looks really nice. They did a great job with them. Oh, here's some plates, the plaid ones. I'm gonna head out to the checkout, and when I was walking down the aisle, these stood out to me. So there's the green trees and a ton of wrapping paper. I hope you enjoyed walking through the store with me today, and until next time, everyone, bye for now.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now